Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you through another place. This place called Scarborough Bluffs. So it's a lot of snow and a lot of beautiful things to see in this area. This place is also very close to where I live, maybe about 15 minutes drive. So let me show you. I'm going to turn camera to the other side. So I came from all the way from there. It's a downhill. When the weather is really bad, it's not safe to drive through that area. You can fall into a ditch. So right there you can see the cliffs. One cliff there, like above, behind those cliffs there are houses, and also here more. So let me walk you through. There are more to see in this place. Let's keep going. I'm going to go a bit faster so you can see a lot of snow here. See, the parking lot is here, but it's a lot of snow here. Okay, let me go to the other side. Behind there is a road. That's where I came, through that road to the down here. So I'm going to try to walk fast so I can show as much as from this place. And also this place is the marina. So like people park their boats here, especially during the summer. You can see over there, it's another cliff over there. During the summer, you can see there are some covered area. Those are boats covered because of the snow. And right there, water is actually frozen, but still you can see some birds there. Okay, let me. Weather is not that cold today. It's a bit mild and slightly snowing. I'm trying to find the safe path to walk. See the road right there. The lights are still on. Okay, this is not so easy to. So there are some evergreen trees. I'm trying to take you to the area close to the lake. See how it looks like. It's very white everywhere. You have to walk through the snow. That's the only way you can walk. If you're really trying to walk on the normal path, that path is very icy. That's all water right there. This is also Lake Ontario. It's mild, but I don't know. It is safer to go because I don't even see anybody, like maybe one or two people. Beyond this point, see, can go closer. The water is not so rough. That's water there. There's a lake. All become ice, but you can see some ducks and the seagulls. Okay, this is the lake that you can see right there. So lake, let me see if I can walk through the snow. Possibly it's, I think it's able. So let me turn around. Normal days this place is packed, especially the weekends. You can see few people is still there. See, that's lake. I'm trying to walk all the way to that side. Yeah, it's all icy. Have to be very careful. So I'm wearing actually the boots, which is had the control over the grid. Okay, let me go. Okay, all you have to find the soft area where there are a lot of snow, then it's okay to walk there. See, all sky is really cloudy today. Very cloudy and slightly snowing. See, the lake is there. Again, it's the cliffs, cliffs are there, like beyond that, those cliffs are the houses. I actually came from the above there. So I'm going to walk not too far today. It looks a bit slippery and ice underneath. The soft snow is there, but then underneath you can feel Around here normally you can see a lot of birds. I'm not sure if I can hear them at all today. So behind that there are water, but looks like it's frozen. So there is no access to there because of the safety reasons. So water is there. So you can hear the water. I think there are more water than normal times. Normally we don't see this much water closer to these rocks. It's very icy, so I don't find it safer to go to that closer. So that's how I came from all the way there, and let's see even if I can go much further. Coming back, I think without camera should be easier for me, without taking the video, so I can see the road. Let me take you this way. It's safer here. When you see a lot of grass, it's safer. It's not slippery, only you can see a lot of snow. Let me actually go closer from here. See, all this is frozen, and then above there you can see cliff. This water is, it's a water, this is water. Everything is frozen. It's very unsafe to go there. So I'm just coming very closer. Actually, I'm just right here. I'm here, but I'm not going that close. It's because I can slip and go through the water. Okay, see, this is normally I go walk to the middle actually. Now normal days summer, and slightly snowing now. Okay, let's go. Hardly anybody here. I saw maybe 1 or 2 people, and also this is the good time to take the video because summertime very crowded. I think people will be all over you, like all over you see them. But I think that this is the best time to take any video. See that? see there, water and the cliffs. Like behind this there are houses. And more to walk actually, but I think some areas very slippery, ice. So I think I better just walk back. So you can see sometimes some people walk their dogs. Some snow there. So I went as far as I can go. So I'm going back. A lot of people are turning around and going back because it's very icy. You cannot walk through those areas. And so that's I think I'm going to make it this video shorter, but during the summertime I can show you really everything. So far, like where I don't know if I can show the right behind here, behind right there. Though there are a lot of boats. They park them because since the lake is very, I think the water is very cold and not safe to go. So I came all the way from there, and so I'm going back. So that's the water. Normally I go to the down, people always there bathing summertime. And there is another side too to this. The other side there is a beach. I'll maybe able to go that side. Not today, maybe with another video. Okay everybody, so I think I'm going to stop the video. It's shorter than any other videos that I shown you. Yeah, so I'll see you with another video. Until then, bye bye.